And what you need is, here you need you can use a drawing paper. If you don't have a drawing paper, you can use a craft paper, any color craft paper you can use, or you can use a newspaper. Okay, so this is something best out of waste you can say, but you can use some old newspaper and you can make a face mask that can protect you from this coronavirus. Okay, so let's begin with this. So I'll just turn back the camera so that you can see it properly. As you can see here, I have taken here I am using a drawing paper with me. So what I'm going to do now is going to just look at the fold, how I'm folding this paper, so that same way you can use this. So just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. First, you are going to fold this paper in this way. Go to the edge properly. Yes, touch the edges properly, and then fold the paper this way. Yes, so this is how you're going to fold the paper. Fold it into the edge. And now what about this side? Same way, you're going to fold it in this way. Touch this border properly. Just look at this. So this is how you're going to make a triangle shape. Just look at this. This is how I have made the triangle shape over here. Yes, each and everyone can see this. This was a rectangle shaped paper. Just look at this. This was the this is the size of the paper. What I have done, I have folded one part in this way, and this is the another one. Now what you're going to do is, after folding it in this way, okay, after folding it in this way, we are going to fold it in this way. We are going to fold it. Just look at this. Yes, we are going to fold it in this way. Okay, just look at this. This is the way how we have folded this paper. Yes, and open it. So after opening this, what we are going to do now is, Stuffy, again I'll show you how to make this. Okay, how I have done this. This is how this was the paper. Okay, this was the paper. Start with. So here I have folded this paper into this part, and now what I'm going to do is, I am folding it in this way. Just look at this. After folding it into a triangle, I'm going to fold this paper in this way. Okay, just look at this. This is the way how you're going to fold this paper. Okay, after folding it, open this side. Okay, open this side and do it as on the opposite side. You're going to do it in the opposite side, same way. Fold it nicely, press the sides nicely, open it, so we get a center part. Now what you're going to do, by joining this center part, you're going to fold this line. Okay, this is the way how you're going to fold it, and again leave it. Afterward, what you're going to do, we are going to fold this paper into half. Yes, we are going to fold this paper into half, press it nicely. Okay, press it nicely. And now what we are going to do, as you can see over here, we have joined a line. So you just have to fold this paper in this way, press it nicely. Okay, and then what you're going to do, we are going to fold it in this way. After folding this paper over here, what we are going to do now is, after folding it, touching on this line, now what we are going to do, we are going to fold it in this way. By using this line, we are going to fold it in this way. Okay, same on the other part, fold it opposite. Okay, And now when you open it in this way, you just have to hold this line. Okay, you have to hold it properly. You have to press it inside one into inside. Okay, you have to press it inside. So you have to be very careful so that you can do it properly. Okay, so that it can go inside properly. This is the way how you're going to fold it. Okay, this is the way how you're going to fold this paper. After you fold it in this way, we are going to nicely, we have to fold it. Okay, so as you fold it, I, I hope each and everyone is clear with this. So for example, how you're going to do it, after you fold it in this way, we are going to fold it this half. In this way, we are going to fold it into half, and here comes the another one. So now as you fold it in this way, we are going to fold this paper into half. Nicely you have to do it. Okay, this should go inside. This shape should go inside. So just look at this. This is how your paper should fold inside. Okay, just look at this. This paper should fold inside in this way. Paper should fold inside. Actually, if you use a newspaper, it will be very easy for you to make this kind of mask. As I'm using a drawing paper, it's already thick, so I'm getting some problem. I'm facing the problem for folding it. Okay, so if you use a drawing, if you use a newspaper, you will get much more easy for you to make this kind of mask. Okay, here I'm facing the problem because I'm using a drawing paper. That's the reason I'm facing the problem. So just this is the way how I have made the fold in this way. Now what I'm going to do is just look at this, just pay attention. After you fold it in this way, after you got the shape properly, this is the way how we are getting the shape. And now what you're going to do is, after you get this shape, just look at this. Now what I'm going to do, after I got this shape properly, I've got this part, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this part over here. Just look at this. Here I have got a one fold, and again I'm folding this fold over here in this part. Now after doing this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my finger inside over here, and I'm going to spread this shape in this way. Okay, just look at this. Okay, as I got this, I'm folding this paper on the opposite side. I'm pressing it nicely. After this, here I have got this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to, yes, what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to fold this inside in this way. So this is how I'm going to fold it, because it's actually getting very tough because I'm using this kind of drawing paper. If you use newspaper, it will get you more easy and you can easily fold it. So this is how we have almost done with it. Okay, so now we are going to do, fold it into half. this way. Okay, we have folded this part into half, and now what you are going to do, we are going to, you know, attach this side. We are going to fold this side and put it inside in this way. Same to the other part, folded it in the same direction and same length, folded it nicely and put it inside. So just look at this. This is how we have made the face mask. It's quite bigger, and it can easily fit to your face. If your face is quite bigger, it can easily fit to your face. Now after we have done this, what we are going to do, you can use a thread or you can use a rubber band. If you have a big rubber band, you can use a big rubber band for making this ties, which can hold your which can fit to your ears. So how we are going to put, we are going to put that thread inside this. So just look at this. I'll just wait a minute. I'll just bring the thread and I'll show you how to look at this. Now what I'm going to do, here I got a thread. I'm going to cut this thread into half. You can use if you don't have if you use the rubber band, it will be much more easier and it will get you much more nice for you to get it proper. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach this to side. I'm going to tie a knot. I'm tying the knot over here. Just look at this. Here I have tied a knot in this part. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this side. I'm going to put this thread over here, and if you have a if you have a Fevicol with you, so what you're going to do, you're going to apply the Fevicol over here in this part. Okay, apply the Fevicol in this part and just put it inside and press it nicely. Yes, here I have stick this part. Same way on the other. Here I have got a thread. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to tie a knot on this corner. Okay, here I'm tying a knot in this corner. Okay, here I have tied a knot, a strong knot I have tied. Just cut the extra thread. And now what I'm going to do, I'm putting this thread inside this. Okay, here I have put the thread inside this and applying the Fevicol on this part nicely. Okay, after applying the Fevicol, I'm going to put it inside and I'm going to press it. So this is how I have get the threads properly. I have made the thread, and this is how my almost my mask is ready. So now what you're going to do, you can you can apply the Fevicol over here for sticking this both the parts. Here I'm applying the Fevicol and pressing it nicely. Okay, here I have applied the Fevicol and I'm pressing this, sticking this part in the center part. I'm sticking it properly. Just look at this. Yes, and this is our mask. Here our mask is ready. You can open this side. Yes, you can open this side if you want, and you can wear this mask. After you wear this mask is going to look something this way. Yes, I hope each and everyone can see this. See, this is the face mask which I have made. Okay, so this is the way how you can make it. This is the easier part, how you can make the mask. Yes, so it can protect you from each and every way how you are going to do it. So the mask which we have made. over here. I hope each and everyone can see this. This is the mask which we have made in this class. So it was quite easier, and you just have to remember the folds, okay? Because it was something new for me, so I have already, it was quite tougher for me to make this. If you have a newspaper, so I'll just show you another mask using this newspaper. I have used a drawing paper, so it was very tough for folding it. So I want a newspaper. Uh, I'll show you how to make a face mask using a newspaper. It will get you more easy, and for folding it, you will get it easy how to fold it. So just look at this. This is the way how I made the mask over here. As you can see, it's easy to fit, and this is how I made the mask. It is quite bigger according to my face. It's really big. So this is how you can make the mask. So I hope each and everyone is clear with this. Was it interesting? So I'll just show you how to make another mask, same way, same part, by but using a newspaper. So it is quite easier for each and everyone. It was quite tough for me to making this face mask using the drawing paper or the craft paper. If you have it in a thin, see, this is called thin paper. Okay, so this is here. I have got a newspaper, and I'm going to show you again how to make a face mask using this newspaper. So here I have got a newspaper, and I'll show you how to make a face mask using this newspaper. So just look at this. The first thing what you're going to do is you're going to fold this paper in this way. Touch the end properly, because each and every fold is very important. And then what you're going to do next is, here I'm folding this part, opposite part, properly in the same way. And as I fold it properly, here I have got a triangle shape. Yes, here I have got a triangle shape. Okay, just look at this. I formed a triangle shape over here. Okay, after what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fold this part from this corner, touching to the edge properly over here. Okay, just look at this. Fold it properly in this way. Then again open it and fold the opposite side as you have done earlier. Okay, so this is how you're going to touch the edge and fold it nicely. So after what you're going to do this, after you get this, after you complete this, what we are going to do, we are going to fold this down part. We are going to fold this down part. There is a point over here, and here I'm just folding it into half. Okay, just look at this. This is how I have folded this paper into half. Okay, after doing this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this shape, and I'm going to fold it into half this way. Just look at this. Because I'm using this newspaper, it's already thin, so it is getting me easier for me. It is getting easy for me to make it nicely. So here I have got the fold. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this corner of this newspaper on this, in this part. Okay, open this shape, and what I'm going to do now is, after you fold it in this way, we are going to use this shape. Just look at this. I'm going to fold this part over here. Yes, so this is how you're going to do. Same way on the other side, this part, and here comes the another half. So after you do this, what we are going to do now is, we are going to open this paper, and I'm going to push this shape inside. Just look at this. So this is how easy it was for me for making this shape, turning it very easily. Just look at this. This was this in this paper I was struggling for making this shape proper, and this was so quick and easy for me to make it very nicely. Okay, So till here you're going to do this, and after you complete with this, what you're going to do, you're going to fold this, you're going to fold this part in this way. Just look at this. I'm going to touch this shape over here. Okay, after folding this, I'm going to fold one more shape. This was the half, and after this I'm going to, this is the proper way how I'm doing this. Just look at this. Here I have opened the paper in this way, and again turning the paper on the back. Here I'm turning the paper at the back this way. After doing this, hold the mask in this position. This is the center of this. Okay, and then what you're going to do, you're going to fold this part inside. Okay, after you fold this part inside, you can take a Fevicol, you can apply the Fevicol on this part properly, because we have to stick this part. If you don't stick this part, it will come out. So what you're going to do, you're going to place this both the ends properly and press it nicely. Just look at this. This is how I'm pressing it, and I have I have stick both the sides properly. Now what I'm going to do, here I'm going to fold this page. Just look at this. Here I am folding this page. Just look at this. Here I have almost completed with this. Now what I'm going to do, this side I'm going to fold it inside in this way. Just look at this. And same with the other one, folding this shape inside, getting the proper shape how I have folded over here. Same way I'm going to fold it in this part. So just put this part inside. So just look at this. Here we have almost completed with this. Now what I'm going to do, remove one side. If you have a rubber band, you can take a rubber band. Actually it's getting shorter. Okay, but it's nice. So what you're going to do, you're going to apply the Fevicol on this part. Okay, apply the Fevicol nicely, and you have to just paste it over here. Okay, this way after putting the rubber band inside. Same way on the other side, remove this paper, take a rubber band, put it inside, apply the Fevicol, on this part properly. After you apply the Fevicol, just place it inside. Yes, so we have completed this face mask. Just look at this. Okay, just look at this. This is the another face mask made by a newspaper. It is made up of newspaper, and just look at this. Here I'm turning the paper, and just look at this. This is the proper face mask. By using a newspaper, you can make this face mask. It's very easy and it's very simple. So just look at this. This is the way how we are going to make the face mask. Yes. Here we have used newspaper. Here I have used a craft paper. This was a very, this was very thick, so it was very, it was very difficult to fold. For making this fold, it was very difficult. So I hope, it's a suggestion for each and everyone. Draw, you can make this face mask, use a newspaper. It is really very easy, and it is very simple to, it is very simple for folding it. You can make it easily in this, using this newspaper. Just look at this. This is the mask which we have made. Yes. So I hope each and everyone is clear. I'll just show you by wearing this. Just look at this. See, this is how I have made the face mask. Yes. I hope each and everyone is clear with this. Did you like this video? Yes, you like this topic. It was very easy, and it is very useful in this pandemic situation. So I'll quickly ask you some question. Is there any doubt to any of the student? They can ask me. So I'll just show you this both the craft, this both the mask. I'll show you. This is of drawing paper. I have used a drawing paper. It was quite challenging for me for folding it, and this is of a newspaper. It was very simple and it was very easier for me for making this mask. Yes, each and everyone, if you use a craft paper, use a thin craft paper, okay? थोड़ा पतला वाला पेपर यूज करो. If you use a thick, अगर आप जाड़ा वाला पेपर, thick वाला पेपर यूज करोगे, it will get much more difficult for you to making this craft, this mask. So I hope each and everyone is clear with this. Grace, please turn off your camera. So I hope each and everyone is